A
especially the
question
301
just
tariff.
came in regards to 9801. So let's kind of talk through this. Here's the example, and I think this is where it's really hitting home, is that you have an item that you originally imported 2 years ago. 4 months ago, before Section 301 hit your product, you exported it because you needed something to get done. Now it has to come back into the US. The product maybe didn't meet spec, something happened. Are we paying 301 against that US goods return tariff?
Yeah, ordinarily, without the use of 9801, if you imported that product and it's on one of the tariff codes that's hit by the applicable tariffs, you would have to pay. So 9801 might be a very good solution for you, where you'd have to pay for whatever repairs or additions you made to the product, or if there was none, duty free. That's what I would argue. And I think there is an FAQ out there where Customs says, with the exception of a handful of provisions in Chapter 98, it's all exempt from 301.
Correct. No, and so I think that's a large part. And because that flew under the radar, I don't feel like a lot of people even realize that that is a viable option now, because it didn't really used to be. And it's not that it didn't used to, it just wasn't really publicized. And now we actually have the language in the tariff to really use this as another tool to bring things back in.